Are you ready to start your own IPTV service? Let's dive into the thrilling world of IPTV. First, understand what IPTV is and how it revolutionizes media consumption by providing one-stop access. We'll explore the key technologies behind IPTV, focusing on powerful servers and seamless streaming capabilities. Consider what type of content you want to offer your audience: live TV, movies, or unique channels. Licensing your content legally is crucial. Let's discuss securing the necessary licenses and agreements. Choose reliable technology providers to ensure your IPTV service is both efficient and top quality. Pricing strategies are vital. Think about competitive pricing to attract and retain your audience. Building an intuitive app interface will enhance user experience and keep your customers engaged. Marketing is key. Engage with potential customers through social media and digital marketing strategies. Startup costs can be daunting, but careful budgeting and planning can mitigate financial risks. Customer support will make or break your service. Ensure you have a responsive support team in place. 2TV.store is a top-tier provider that exemplifies success in this industry and could inspire your journey. Consider joining forums and networks to share insights and grow within the IPTV community. Preparing to launch. Perfect. Test your service rigorously to ensure a seamless user experience. Launching with confidence means having a strong support system and knowing you've covered all bases. Congratulations! With dedication and the right tools, your IPTV service will thrive. Remember, stay innovative.